everyone, and welcome to today's introduction on Mosaic. Mosaic is MPC's in-house platform, which allows us to communicate with our clients in a much more effective way, and we'll be able to give the clients better ability to see what exactly they are holding, and what recommendations that we send out and the content that we produce. So at the moment, you can see that we are logged into Mosaic, and basically on the home page in the main dashboard, you'll be able to access all the latest recommendations that we pushed out to our clients for specific products. So at the moment, we have 5 products, and if you subscribe to these products, you will get the recommendation, and we will be able to see whether you want to accept a certain recommendation or not. We also have content. So on a daily basis, we release new market updates, investment strategies, as well as thematic developments throughout the economic environment. And this is how you'll be able to view the articles. So as you can see, the latest content displays a feed on the latest updates. In the portfolio allocation, you'll be able to see exactly what your portfolio composition is. So what equities portion that you have with the respective brokers that we are using for your account, as well as structured products. So if you hold any structured products, you'll be able to see the holdings here. Also, we have linked your Macquarie Cash account to the platform. So if you have a Macquarie account open with us, you'll be able to see the cash holdings here as well. And further down the page, you can see the top holdings as well as the recent trades that we placed through the account. Now let's go through the individual features. So as we saw in the holdings, all the brokers are integrated with Mosaic. So if you have an account open with us, you'll be able to see the details here. So as you can see in this portfolio, all the stocks that are in this, you'll be able to see. This is applicable for both ASX as well as in the US, as we have access to both. Structured products, you will be able to see exactly what structured products you have. And also, as we mentioned before, the Macquarie accounts will be updated on a daily basis to see where your cash balance is. Similarly, in transactions, you'll be able to audit the trade trail, so exactly what trades have been placed, and on what date. You'll be able to have a history for reconciliation. Now, the best piece is that what Mosaic allows us to do is push recommendations through to yourself, and you'll be able to preview exactly why we've made this recommendation. So let's take, for example, here. You can see all the products that are available. So high conviction ASX Alpha, we have other ones. If you are subscribed to that, you will be able to access that. Once we release and send this recommendation to you, you can preview by clicking the button here. And you can see exactly what the trade plan is, where we want to enter, target price, stop loss, and the rationale behind it. So we'll be able to give you a more holistic picture in terms of why we're recommending this trade or investment. And usually we'll include a chart to update you on where the market is for that stock. Now, the other benefit of this is that you can actually accept and reject each recommendation, and we'll be able to see this, and it saves communication where if you want to accept it, we can actually place you on that trade whenever we execute. Now, the final piece of Mosaic is the content section, and this is really a value add for all of our clients. We do a lot of research in-house, and this gives us the ability to actually share this in a timely manner. So if there's a market update on a daily basis or bigger thematic changes throughout the year, where we think there's a high conviction in terms of that trend playing out, you will be able to access that and see exactly what we're thinking. So once you click on one of these articles, you can read into what exactly the investment philosophy is here and why we are recommending that thematic. Now, all the podcasts that we do, so at the moment we have 3 podcasts: the Bulls versus Bears, Global Alpha, and Morning Call. You'll be able to find them all up to date here, and whenever we make a new content, this will be displayed here in Mosaic. Similarly, with YouTube, also all the video content that we create, you'll be able to access here. There's a player on the Mosaic app, so each individual video you'll be able to see and view in Mosaic. Also, there's categorization where, to make it easier to find different categories where you're interested in, we have these filters available for you to digest the content in an easier way. And furthermore, with the widget on the side, you can easily search through these content and find the relevant article or videos that are available to you. The final feature that will help communication between us and the clients is the chat function. Now, as a client, you will have access to all contacts within MPC Markets. So any of the advisors who are available at MPC Markets, you can see whether they're online or offline, and you can chat with them. So if there's any urgent questions or concerns or queries, or just general investment chat, you can come into the chat here, and we can type a message, and the broker and advisor will be able to see that message and answer your prompts in a timely manner. And the final thing is there's your profile settings, and you can change certain aspects of your profile, whether it's name, address, very basic details at the moment. But as we build the application for Mosaic, this will continue to develop. And then also with subscriptions, here is where you can actually manage your subscriptions. And the last thing is our notifications. So if you want to be up to date, you can by default, all the notifications are enabled. However, if there's certain things that you want to control, whether it's chat notifications or push notifications, you can come inside here and change the notification functionalities in here. Now, Mosaic will continue to develop over the coming months. This is our first release. And as the platform grows, we'll be continuing to release walkthroughs and updates. But if you want to know more information and learn more about Mosaic, please feel free to reach out to us at MPC Markets, and we'll be able to assist you to learn more about how this works and guide you through the process of all our content. So thank you for joining us today, and we're very excited to present our in-house platform, and it will be continue to be developed over the next coming month. Thank you.